Hi, I'm Sean Fletcher from Clackamas ESD. Now that you've downloaded your toolkit, the next step is to make a collection of folders in your Google Docs to make managing your toolkit easy. The first thing we're going to do is open up our Google Docs and create a folder called My Toolkit. When you're in your email, you can look up here and you can easily access your Google Docs. To create a collection, you go over to this big red button here and click Create. We're going to create a collection and call it My Toolkit web page. Now if you look over here to the left, you'll see a list of all of the different folders that you've created for your Google Docs. Here is our folder, or collection as Google likes to call it, for managing our toolkit. The next step is to build a collection of folders that mirrors the organization of your toolkit. If you look at the toolkit over here to the left, you can see that you have step 1, which is the data tracker, step 2, which is meeting notes, step 3, fidelity, step 4, analysis, and then we're going to call data team resources step 5. So we're going to go back to our Google Docs and create a folder that lines up with each one of these different pages on the toolkit. Again, to create a collection, you push create, collection. The first one we're going to make is, we're just going to call it number 1, data tracker. When you first create your collections, they're going to pop up over here, but what we want to do is we want to nest these new collections under our folder for the toolkit. So we're going to drag our data tracker, number 1 here, down to My Toolkit web page and drop it in. So if you click on My Toolkit web page now, you're going to see that you've got your data tracker folder sitting right there for you. Let's create some more. Okay, so again, over here on the left, you see your folder, My Toolkit web page. This is the one that we just recently collected, and nested underneath it is each one of the pages that you're going to have in your toolkit. And one of the things that I would recommend is sharing this collection with all the collaborators you're going to have on building the toolkit. That way everybody will have access to all of the documents so that they can edit and upload them into your toolkit webpage. To share, you just go over to the triangle here, click on that, go up to share. Now once you're in share settings, you can have kind of an overall access that you're going to allow people to have. You can make things public on the web, you can make it so anyone with a link can view, and what we're going to do with this one is we're going to keep it private, but we're going to invite people individually. So if you have a group of people you're working with to develop your toolkit web page, you would just type in their email address into this portion right here, select Can Edit, and then click the Share and Save button. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped. Be sure to watch the rest of our videos on how to download the data tracker and also the meeting notes, and contact us with any questions. Thank you.